Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of shapewear with a focus on the best Oncore mid-thigh short Spanx available in the market. Let's start by understanding what makes this product stand out. The Oncore mid-thigh short by Spanx is not your average shapewear. It's designed to offer a total transformation, providing both comfort and powerful sculpting features. This shaper is crafted with lightweight materials yet packs a powerful punch. It's perfect for those seeking a seamless silhouette without feeling weighed down. One of the standout features is its fully bonded front panels, engineered to deliver a tabletop flat stomach effect. Say goodbye to any worries about a bulging midsection. Comfort is key with the edge-bonded side panels. They ensure a snug fit without any uncomfortable squeezing, allowing you to move freely throughout the day. Spanx understands that every body is unique. That's why this product is available in both regular and plus sizes, catering to a wide range of body types. Now, let's take a closer look at how this shapewear performs in real life. Our model will showcase how the Oncore mid-thigh short seamlessly smoothens the silhouette, providing confidence and support for any occasion. In comparison to other shapewear options on the market, the Spanx Oncore mid-thigh short truly stands out. Its combination of sculpting power, comfort, and versatility make it a must-have in any wardrobe. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for shapewear that delivers on its promises, look no further than the Spanx Oncore mid-thigh short. Its innovative design and attention to detail make it a standout choice for anyone seeking both style and support. That's all for today's review on the best Oncore mid-thigh short Spanx. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.